everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia. Y'all see my hair? Alright, first off, these are bundles. I don't know how to make wigs, so my god sister Judline, I am going to link her channel down in my description box. She was kind enough to help me construct this unit. I did receive this hair from Stema hair, and it is 100% human virgin hair. They sent me 3 bundles, and it's a 16-inch, 18-inch, and 20-inch, and they also sent me an 18-inch frontal. This is the Kinky straight bundle with a lace closure. All right, and I did get the free part lace closure, so I can part it pretty much anywhere that I want, but you guys know that I am a side part type of girl. This hair did come straight, but Judline did go in with flexi rods, and you'll see how she did that in a few. So guys, please check out my description box for all the details on this hair, and also the link where you can purchase Stema hair, this Kinky straight hair. And also please see my description box for my girl Judline. She specializes in natural hair units and wigs, and she's popping. All right, so make sure you click her link down below and subscribe to her channel. All right guys, I'm on my way out to a wedding. That's why I'm all dolled up and bling blingy whatever. Okay, so if you want to see exactly what I did to achieve this bomb hair, thank you Stema hair again, please keep on watching.